Call India Trinamool Congress kalakan tha ek sarkar MDA bat ki bor pulit namar ka jingbamla bante lakam ya jingti bat khaïi dewïong beaiñ ka bapen longi ka high court ban pan de ki bor pulit naka sarkar India uba Charles Pongro president ka AITC Meghalaya ulong bakani ka jingpan bor pulit naka sarkar India kalapan her dori ki bor pulit ka Jylla bat ya ka sarkar hi borok away.
The continuous illegal transportation of coal which is happening, although there has been a total ban by both the High Court and the Supreme Court to stop the illegal transportation, but it seems that the state has turned a deaf ear to the issues and the concerns raised by the honorable courts. The very fact that you mentioned that they have deployed the central paramilitary forces to stop the illegal transportation of coal is a clear reminder to the state government that they are not doing their job irrespective of the fact that the High Court has asked them to do so. It is not only a contempt of court, but it is also this total disregard of law and order in the state, where you have the central paramilitary forces coming here to the state to enforce a rule, a decision taken by the High Court. Badly is putting it very mildly. I mean, if there was any shame left in the Meghalaya police, they should be hanging their heads in shame, where the job that they were supposed to execute as guardians of the law has now been overtaken by a paramilitary force which doesn't belong to the state. Total shame. Yes, it is. It is a question of dare to act. Once you put on the uniform, it is your bounden duty to serve and protect and uphold the Constitution. The Constitution is very clear. You can't steal, and you cannot go against the rules and the laws that are prevailing in the state. Illegal transportation has been declared by the High Court illegal. How can you allow? Therefore, you have the central government sources. I think let us shift now.
Jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingla kisur ngin pen sawala wan kapor ka jingla rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingla kisur ngin pen sawala wan kapor ka jingla
Even after so many years, Meghalaya only has one government medical college. Is this the Meghalaya we want to leave behind for our children? It's time to speak up about the issues blocking Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.